All right, fourth grade, we are going through Lesson 5, which is talking about ordinal numbers and our good old 365. What do I mean when I say 365? Good, we're going to talk about the year, but we're going to talk about another number similar, related to it, is 12, which is what, Alexis?
How many months are in a year?
Good, months in a year. First things first, we're going to take ordinal numbers. Second thing, we'll take the months of the year. Ordinal numbers. If I want you to line up in line and you are right next to the door, what position are you in the line, Alexis? Here's the door. And you are here. What position are you in? Yeah, what do we call that? I am first. If you are right behind Alexis, what position are you in, Patrick? Second. If you are right behind Patrick, what position are you in, Gabby? Third. If you are behind Gabby, what position are you in? Ethan? Fourth. F-O. Fourth, like that? Yeah. This is I'm going fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. So I'm going fourth in line. Okay? So now, we use these words such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Everything except for the first three, they all end in TH, 13th. I'm 102nd. Any number ending in 2 is different, yes. They're either TH or RD. Yep, 21st. Oh, there we go. ST, because it's first. 21st, 22nd, 23rd. So I said besides the digits 3, 4, or 1, 2, and 3, they all end in TH, right? Most of them. Here we go. Third, fourth, fifth, first, second. They all show positions, how we finish. They're called ordinal. It's putting things in order. I don't say, oh, I'm one in line. I'm first in line. Taking a look at your example, we're looking on page number 30 now. It says there are 10 children in line, Ethan. We're going to be watching here. You can keep going after I'm done. 10 children in line. Pictures are going to be your friend, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 people in line. It says, letter A. Well, first, Pedro is fourth in line. If here is the door, there's the door, and that's the front of the line. Pedro is fourth. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to confuse you. Do your lesson, please, Kaylin. Thank you. Pedro is fourth. It says how many students or how many children are in front of him. Patrick, how many? 3 are in front of him. How many are behind him? If there are 10 in line. Adriana? 6 behind him. Sometimes we like to just take straight math and say, oh, 10 minus 5, 5. But that doesn't work with ordinal numbers. The best way to make sure you have them correct is to draw a picture. Okay? To draw a picture. Look at example number 2. It says Andy is 13th in line. And Kwame is 3rd in line. How many students are between them? Now, careful. We're going to undo this. I'm gonna get these guys, and I'm gonna shrink them. I can't. They won't let me shrink them. All right. We'll just do a quick one here. Their heads. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now it says, what position is Andy? Michael? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here's Andy. And Kwame, what position is he in, Michelle? No. We're looking right on page 30 at example 2. Alexis? Adriana? Third. Here is Kwame. How many people are behind? So look, if he's 13th and he's third, he's third, you might think, oh, it's 10, right? How many people? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 people are between them in line. That's why drawing pictures will help you. That's why drawing pictures when you're talking about people in line will help you. Any questions on ordinal numbers? Jacob? No question? Okay. Now let's talk about the months of the year. Let's say these in order. Ready? January. Good, easy, right? But now, how many days of the month, or how many days does November have? Michelle, how do you know that? Michelle, how'd you know that? Okay, you just do. Patrick? Okay, Patrick, look at me now and how many days are in December? No, you looked at the book. That's cheating. You should know there's 31. How many are in June? How do you know? Yeah. So there's a phrase you need to know, and it's 30 days, half, which means have, and then it has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have, except for February, which has how many? 28, sometimes 29 alone, depending on the leap year, right? February. So 30 days are in September. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except for February, which has 28 alone. Or you can use the knuckle trick. So there's a knuckle trick. And we're going to flip this so we can have the same numbers. There. So I have my two knuckles here, my two hands. Put your knuckles together, right? And you can just start here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and you can ignore that last knuckle. It doesn't mean anything. Everything that's on the knuckle has 31 days. Everything that's in the hump on the bottom part has 30, except for February, which has 28. So April, June, September, November. That's another way to remember it. Okay? But now there are different ways to write the days of the year. Today is September 11th, 2014. So we can write it using the month, September 11th, 2014. We can also write it with the number of the month that it comes in. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It's the 9th month, the 11th day, and then we can write 2014. Or we can just do what's called a 2-digit month, day, year. So we go 0, 9, 11, 14. Or we can write it 11 September 2014, which is what some of your parents do all the time. But that's less common. It's more used in military than anything else. So we use these other three more often, okay? So look at example 3. It says Janae wrote her birth date as 7/8/99. What month was Janae born in? In what month was Janae born? 7/8/99. What's the 7th month? Ethan? Yeah, my birthday month. What day was she born? 7/8/99? The 8th of July. Correct. Okay. Now, look at your lesson practice on page 32. We have A, B, and C. Letter A, you should probably draw a picture to help you. It even tells you to draw a picture. Letter B says to write your birth date in month, day, year form. And letter C, in month, day, year form, that's the slashes, write the date that Independence Day will next be celebrated. What's Independence Day? The birthday of America, yes, which is July 4th is what we celebrate Independence Day. Lesson number 5 for next time.